Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a beer and wine license. First, you'll need to thoroughly research your state and local alcohol beverage control laws. These regulations vary significantly, so understanding them is crucial. Next, identify the exact license type your business requires, whether it's for on-premise consumption or off-premise sales. Finally, begin compiling all necessary personal and business documents, such as your business plan and financial statements. Once your research is complete, the next step is to meticulously fill out the application form. Accuracy is paramount to avoid delays. Be prepared to submit the required application fees, which can vary widely, sometimes from $100 to well over $1,000, depending on your location and license type. Additionally, all owners and key personnel will undergo comprehensive background checks as part of the approval process. After submitting your application, your business will likely face several inspections. Prepare your premises for health and safety checks, ensuring everything meets local standards. You'll also need to confirm that your location complies with all zoning and fire codes. In some cases, you might be required to attend interviews or public hearings to discuss your application before final approval is granted. Obtaining your license is a significant achievement, but maintaining it is equally important. Always adhere strictly to all state and local regulations to avoid any penalties or even license revocation. Remember to renew your license annually or biennially, as required by law, to ensure continuous operation. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.